Hey Barrett, have you seen that video on Facebook of the drywallers? They're putting drywall on the window.
No.
Okay, see right here, see all this gunk on the window? This is the reflection of the plastic with dirt on it. If you pay attention and you freeze frame, you can see the edges of the plastic, and you can see that the window's not perfectly clear, and you'll see that in my video also. Right here, you can see the stickers on the window. Those stickers are on top of the plastic that covers. See that haze? See that haze that you're looking at? That is not looking out the glass. You're looking through a plastic film that is on the glass, and the stickers are on top of that. So when you peel this off, the purpose for the plastic film is to protect the windows, and when you're done with your project, you peel it off and the windows are perfectly clean, except for a little bit around the edges. And I was telling those, I was going to say idiots, but I'm trying to be nice. I was trying to say there's a plastic film on the windows, so right, it's not hurting the windows. And so people were like, no, there's no plastic film. You see that plastic film?
It definitely is.
You can't see it in the video, so the guy's kind of trolling people. And he's like putting drywall over it, but the sun's not there, so you can't see it. So anyway, there you go, you goobers, you noobs on Facebook.